Look at that. Look at that. I literally recorded that. That was a... See the back. Throw it at them. Look, he's flying it. Sometimes they can crash. So I have a 3D pen YouTubers, and I'm about to get in bus grade, and I meeting my teacher yesterday. So and oh, see, look, that's it. If you want to do this, sorry. Oh no, it's good. Look, it's see, that almost hit me. I think that means I have to back up. Please don't hit me, please. Oh, you saw that? Look, it's coming. It almost hit. I've heard them. It's coming towards me. Hey, it's coming towards me. I'm still recording it. I suck. I got that one. Oh my god.
Pretty windy actually, huh?
See it right here?
Slow that is, huh?
It's going slow because the wind is going way fast.
Going into the wind, so it can go slower.
See, look inside. Oh, yes, I got that one.
The wind is kind of bouncy right now.
Ow.
It's about to rain, I think, so that's why it's windy.
Oh, I just feel a raindrop. See how it's...
Okay, see this one left. We'll try it again. How slow that is, huh?
That's like... It's going really slow because of the wind. That's pretty...
Faster you can
Go like
There
fast.
you go. This plane's not that fast, but... Whoa.
And do like... Go upside down.
There you go.
He's upside down.
There you go.
Finally coming.
Recording. Look at that. You getting it? Yeah, let's go slow again.
No, my uncle's going slow. look how slow that is.
Okay, I'm gonna come land. Try to touch the ground. I'm gonna try to land it. Okay, and then take off again. Okay.
YouTubers, you have to watch.
Don't move.
Is that cool, YouTube?
Let's do that again. That's fun.
And he's going to do it again. Try to. That was fast. And then.
Oh no! Good thing it doesn't smell.
If you ever see. Look at that! Look at that! I literally recorded that. That was a.
Whoa! Did you see that? Want me to try that again? Ready?
Ow! Ow! My.
Ready? Watch. Record this part. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Okay. This is the plane. This is flying.